Now, production possibility frontier, production possibility curve can be a straight line if the MRT, marginal rate of transformation or marginal opportunity cost, is constant. Means the amount of guns that we were sacrificing for one extra unit of butter, if that amount of sacrifice is constant in all the phases, if the amount of that sacrifice of guns is constant in all the cases for one extra unit of butter, then the PPC curve will be a straight line. Means what? That this MRT, like it is 1, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this sacrifice, when it will be equal, means it will be 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 or 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, anything. Means the sacrifice will be of equal amount in each phase, in each point for one extra unit of butter, then only it will be a straight line. Okay, but as we see here that the sacrifice of gun is going to increase from 1 to 6. So it is, the sacrifice is going on increasing, so it is not a straight line. Okay. Now, when it will be convex. Now, if this sacrifice from 1 to 6 is not by so much amount, but or it decreases in small amounts. Say from 1 to 2, if the next year it is, the next is 3, it may be 1, it may be 2, it may be 3 units, but it will not be with such a range. Means the decrease of the sacrifice of the unit of guns will be less. The sacrifice of the guns will be in less units, then only it will be convex to the origin. Okay, but in our production possibility curve, what did we see? That the sacrifice of gun was going on increasing. Okay, so when this sacrifice will be in smaller amounts for one extra unit of butter, then only it will be convex to the origin. But when it is in larger amounts like we had, then it will be concave to the origin. Okay. Now, what is PPF? PPF and opportunity cost. Now, I will show you a diagram. What did I say? Opportunity cost is the cost of losing a next best alternative. Okay. Now, see this diagram. It is a downward sloping production possibility curve, A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, here we are measuring butter, here we are measuring guns. Now see, in point E, when I am moving from point E to F, how much unit of guns I am sacrificing? 5 units of gun for one extra unit of butter. That is, from 4 to 5 units I am moving of butter. For one extra unit of butter I am sacrificing 5 units of guns as I am moving from point E to F. Now, what is the opportunity cost here? The opportunity cost is the cost that we are losing, that we are not producing the 5 units of guns which we are sacrificing. Here the opportunity cost is the cost that we are losing, or the benefit that we are losing or sacrificing by not producing that 5 units of butter for one 5 units of guns for one extra unit of butter. The sacrifice that we are doing, or the cost we are losing, or the benefit that we are losing by sacrificing 5 units of guns for one extra unit of butter. So that is the opportunity cost. Or you can say the opportunity cost of producing more butter and fewer guns. Okay. So now, if another thing is written, if all the resources of the economy are fully and efficiently utilized, and more of one good can be produced only by taking resources away from the production of other good, the lost production of such other good is the opportunity cost of the first. So here, as we are losing the production of guns for one extra unit of butter, so that is the opportunity cost. Okay, PPF and opportunity cost. So next day we will be doing the shift and the rotation of the PPC. Okay, and how the PPC curve solves the problems of what to produce, how to produce, and for whom to produce in the different economies. That we will be doing in the next day.